Hello everyone, this is Professor Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to learn about what is secret reserve under auditing. So let us see what do you mean by secret reserve.
Vice versa. The vice versa of window dressing is secret reserves. Can anyone tell me now what do you mean by secret reserve? As I told you, it is the vice versa. So if anyone can frame some sentence over it.
It's when your company is doing good, but then you show as if it's running into losses.
Exactly. Why does the company does that? वो तो अच्छी बात है ना, profit earning is a good thing, but why does the company resort to secret reserves then? Why do I want to show losses?
So for competition editors,
Yeah, you can mislead them, ठीक है, competitors को mislead करना है, ठीक है, that can be one other.
To keep the profits for yourself.
Exactly. Secret reserve, I want to keep profit. If I burn 1 lakh rupees, I'll only show 40,000, 60,000 मेरे pocket में. Perfect. Other than that, see, if I show more profit, I have to pay more dividend.
oh
Yes or no?
yes, yes.
If I show more profit, I have to pay more tax. Profit before tax, profit after tax. Yes or no?
Yes.
So see, everything, see, whatever we learn, okay, whatever we have done in accounts, it all revolves around auditing. Okay, the points, the wordings we have learned, only you have to just understand the concepts. Okay, later on you can just frame anything in it. So, secret reserve means a part of profit secretly kept aside for future use. It is exactly opposite. Yes, exactly. Then was said to pay less tax. Perfect. That is what we mentioned. Yes, perfect. So more profit, I have to pay more tax, more profit, more dividend. Okay, more profit. So if I show less profit, I can take the excess profit for my own self. At times, what happens? The company is earning average profit in 1 year. Let's say sanitizers company dealing in sanitizer. Before 2020, Indians never or hardly, let's say, a percentage of Indians use sanitizers. Yes or no? Chalo, you all only tell me out of your entire class, how many of you all used to use sanitizers?
I used to use.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो बोलो ना 1% 2% को छोड़ के did anyone else use sanitizers? Everyone alive?
So they went to sanitize their hands, I think.
guess so, हाँ. Wait, Joanna is mentioned. Hey, wait, not really. मतलब what? Which question?
Say
के लिए? Are you all alive?
yes
for
or no.
that? Okay. I'll consider those answers for. Yeah, I'll consider that answer for sanitizer. Okay, not for are you all alive. ठीक है, perfect. See, so that's the reason. See, now the company who are dealing in sanitizer, they were earning normal profit. Okay, 1-2 people were using sanitizers in a pack of 10-20 people. Okay, so they were using, earning normal profit. Now, plus in 2020, after COVID coming into the picture, the sanitizer company have earned millions. Okay, their sale have just, just broke away. Okay, it was just normal bar graph. Okay, it was a normal bar graph of their profit, but because of COVID, it straight away went up. Yes or no? The sales
Yes.
increased huge. But will that sale continue in the same range in future?
So for 3 to 4 years, yes. After that, it will
3 to 4
stoop
years
down.
before there. Nowadays, even now, people don't even, they have forgotten that there was something called as COVID. So 3 to 4 years is a
Yes,
very
sir.
big thing. Chalo, for a year, or we say a year or a little bit ahead of that, people might use, and thereafter people will again get used to it. Okay, so now from a sanitizer company point of view, I know that this profit is only for one second. This is not the heading, okay? Just ignore this heading. We are doing secret reserve, okay? I must have not deleted that. From the sanitizers company point of view, I know that this profit is only for a short period. The profit is only for a short period, and I know that in future again the profit will decline. So rather than showing it and pay more tax, more dividend, what will I do is I will go for secret reserve. I won't show only that I've earned this profit. And whatever profit I've earned, I will keep it for my personal future use. Okay, is that possible? I feel it is more genuine. That is quite genuine because they know sanitizers company were making huge loss, meaning they were not having that much of profit throughout so many years. It's only in this 1 year that the sales have increased. So in that case, the sanitizer company can resort to stating that this profit is going to be only for a very short period. So rather than paying more tax over it, I will go for secret reserve and I'll hide that profit because I know in future again my sale will become very average. So in that case, company can go into secret reserve. They can perform secret reserve. Did you all get that point? Secret reserve. So isn't it illegal to show less profit for tax saving? Yes, it is. See, window dressing and secret reserve, they are frauds. They are under types of fraud may they come, okay? They are illegal. Company, but it shows it. See, it is done. Till they are not caught, it is good enough. But the moment they will be caught, it is criminal act. It is a pure criminal act, and it has been done legally. Okay, it has been done legally by a chartered accountant. Okay, they do this, but yes, it is an illegal act. Okay, if any outside person comes to know about it and if it files a complaint over it, then yes, it is an illegal or criminal act. Both of them, window dressing as well as secret reserve, they are frauds. They are different types of frauds in an organization. But it is a part and parcel, okay? Till you are not caught, it can be done. Okay? Next, in window dressing, financial position is shown as better than the actual, where in window dressing it was ulta, okay? It was showing the financial position is good as per the actual one. But in secret reserve, it is shown as worse than the actual. Okay? It is the exact opposite of window dressing. It is illegal, but it is still been done, and it is done by a chartered accountant who has a professional degree holder. Okay. In one case we say it is all bad, but in the other case it has been done legally. They are authorized person to do so, and they don't even get caught after that.
So bad.
Hey, that's part and parcel, so you cannot deny that fact. So till now, everyone got the basic meaning of secret reserve.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is what are the object of secret reserve? Similar to window dressing. Okay. Number one, to mislead competitors. As one of you all told me that competitors को दिखाना है कि I'm in losses, so let the competitor enjoy. I can do that. Hide abnormal profit. Sanitizer का example. Profit which are abnormal just for this particular year, there is a huge profit. Hide that. I'll go for secret reserve. Legally allowed to banks. Now, secret reserve is legally allowed to be performed by banks. Okay. Banks can do that in order to, save the investor or, do not tell the investor how much they are earning. Only banks are the only organization or only company which are allowed to do secret reserve legally in Indian as per the Indian Company Act. They are legally allowed to, do secret reserves. Last, manipulation by management. Secret reserve is basically done by the management for getting the profit for their personal use. Okay, so if the management require money, they can go and opt for it and earn profit over that. So these were the basic, the object of secret reserve. Now you tell me now, how can you, create secret reserve? How can you all create secret reserve? The way you all told me how can you all create window dressing, now you all tell me how can you all create secret reserve. Understatement, asset show asset less, increase your liability, and vice versa.
Understate the income and overstate the expense.
Exactly. Okay. Exactly opposite of secret reserve. I'll increase my expenses. Okay. I'll overstate my expenses. Depreciation was 20,000. I'm showing depreciation 80,000. Income received was 5 lakhs. I'm showing it at 50,000. Okay. Assets I've purchased 20 computers. I'm showing only purchased 5 computers. Liability I've taken a loan of 1 lakh. I'm showing I've taken a loan of 10 lakhs. That is how secret reserves can be created. Perfect. So, thank you.